Hi, my name is Rick Capone, owner of Capone Motorsports and team manager at Tower Motorsports. We're currently in West Palm Beach, Florida at Capone Motorsports Workshop. We're currently the facilitating manager for Tower Motorsports IMSA LMP2 program, and we also focus on historics and heritage cars.
My name's Connor Janateas, and I'm the innovation manager at TriMech Group. We've got our solutions consultant Joseph Yang here today at Capone Motorsports to 3D scan their ORECA LMP2 race car. With us today we've got our ZEISS T-SCAN Hawk 2. So we brought the ZEISS scanner with us today because the application really requires accuracy, and for a part this size it really is reliant on stitching multiple scans together. So to start with a scanner that can be as accurate as 20 microns means once we start stacking up tolerances over the total car, we're still going to be well within the acceptable tolerance range for getting relevant and accurate results post-scan.
My name is Ryan Johnson and I am a race engineer here at Tower and Capone Motorsports. By the current regulations, we're not allowed to wind tunnel test or straight line test, so we're scanning in order to do it virtually, and this will allow us to just put another tool in our toolbox and continuously push performance.
My first impressions of the scanning technology is incredible. I mean, it's such a compact unit and it doesn't sacrifice precision. The race car itself is very complex with many compound curves, and the fact that it can capture all of that and dump it into a 3D file is amazing.
We know already scanning technology is utilized in professional motorsports, but not within our class currently. So the earlier we can learn about using it and maximizing potential, the better.
Working with the Capone Motorsports team has been great. We're really happy with the partnership. Coming from the technology side, it's been great to have access and exposure to such an advanced industry. We've been able to develop some new scanning techniques, some new processes, and some new ways of working that will really help us deliver better quality to customers in all of our different verticals.
We are incredibly excited about our partnership with TriMech. They're a global engineering juggernaut, and we look forward to pushing the boundaries together.